How to create an account on Fanbase app. Let's get started. First, launch your Play Store or App Store and search for the app Fanbase and download it. Once you download the app, launch it. Now click on the option of sign up. Now you have to provide these details: username, phone number, email address, and the password. First up, type in the username. Then click on this drop down and select your country and then type in the phone number. Likewise, type in the email address. Then generate password. Agree with the terms and condition of Fanbase. Then click on sign up. Now you will need to verify your email address. So close this and check your mail. You will be receiving mail from the Fanbase. Open that mail and click on verify email. Your account will be created. Now you can hit back. You can open your Fanbase app. Now select your birthday. Click on continue. Click on confirm. Now select what you are interested in. Click on continue. And just with that, you have created your account. So this way you are able to create Fanbase account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.